How to restrict group chat in Messenger. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to restrict group chat in Messenger. So unfortunately, you'll not be able to restrict group chat in Messenger using your mobile device. So you have to use a web browser. And likewise, there is also no such direct way of doing it. So you cannot do it in a group, but then you could do it in an individual chat. So for that, you just open up a chat page, and when you open up a chat page, then you could go to the settings page, or you could go to chat settings and all that. And when you go to privacy and support, you should be able to find this option. So here there is this option as bot chat. You could go ahead and use this bot chat feature in order to use it as an alternative method for restriction. So you could select the duration and all that, and you could also give a reason, all of that, or else you could also try another alternative method. So these are some of the ways to restrict your group chat in Messenger. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.